Hi, my name is Doris Agu, and I'm going to be presenting on community health promotion. So the city I'm going to be speaking about is Long Beach in California. So first we'll discuss the immunization clinics found in the area. Um, there are several locations within the city of Long Beach where residents can obtain free or low-cost health care and services for children, adults, and families. So with the immunization clinic, they provide immunizations to everyone or anyone. They suggest asking your doctor what immunizations you need prior to your visit. They're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. They also have an HIV clinic. They provide free anonymous testing. It's confidential. They also do provide STD testing. Their facilities open also 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. They have the family planning clinic. Um, it's at no cost to anyone, so it's available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Individuals 12 to 18 years old are able to also receive confidential STD and family planning at this facility. You don't have to have any insurance at all, so that's totally fine. Then they have the sexually transmitted disease clinic. Again, comprehensive testing. It's free, it's confidential. They'll work with any income. And then they have the TB clinic, which is also free. It's available to anyone in the community. Um, their mission really is to just identify, treat, and prevent the spread of TB disease by any means necessary. They want to be prompt um, with providing treatment and ensure that patients are completing the treatment to further reduce any transmission. And they really want to find cases in a timely manner. So in addition to that, the City of Long Beach Department of Health and Human Services has a community resource list. At this link, you can get more information about any clinics. There's tons of clinics available that provide free healthcare. So local public health services in Long Beach. So the City of Long Beach Department of Health and Human Services community resource list also lists more information about this as well. Um, So the local public health services in Long Beach include Long Beach Department of Health and Human Services, which is city level. Then the California Department of Health Care Services is state level. And then nationally, there's the U.S. Department of Public Health. So in addition to these, they have other public health services, which is like the Lutheran Social Services, Social Vocational Services, the Public Health Institute, they have the Long Beach Multi-Service Center, and so on and so forth. There's really just tons and tons of local public health services in Long Beach area. So here are some photos of the Long Beach Department of Health and Human Service office. The address is listed below if anyone wanted to stop by this location. Here they can help you find any resources you need, and they're available once again Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Vaccination. The vaccination rates in Long Beach are very good. Long Beach has the highest percentage of kindergartners who are up to date on their shots compared to anywhere in Los Angeles County and California in general. As you can see, the Long Beach rate of vaccinations currently is at 93.4%, which is pretty good compared to the LA County, which is at 89.3%, and 90.7% for California in whole. So nationally, this is how children entering school are doing with their vaccination rates. So for DTaP, they're at 83.4%. Polio, there's 91.9%. MMR, 91.1%. So on and so forth. So the vaccination rates are fairly good. They're at a high rate. So kids are definitely getting vaccinated. So if a family has no insurance, where can their children be vaccinated? So here is in a location. There's tons of locations, tons of resources available. But here is one location where children or their family members can get the flu shot for free. Um, it doesn't cost anything, but there are some places that do charge. But if you don't have insurance or you don't have the money, they are willing to work with any income, and give it for free if necessary. Um, Here's another location. They also offer free services. Here are some things listed below. They accept underinsured, uninsured individuals, Medicare, Medicaid. All incomes are accepted. Fees are a sliding scale and based on income. Same thing with this location. All incomes and levels are accepted. Fees are a sliding scale based on income and free if necessary. So, disaster planning in the city of Long Beach. So, the Department of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Communication was created to centralize and bring more focus to disaster preparedness functions in the city of Long Beach. The mission of Disaster Preparedness Bureau is to centralize the direction of supporting planning, coordination, and management of disaster preparedness, mitigation, response, and recovery. In addition to the disaster preparedness emergency communications, an extension of that would be the Emergency Communications Center. They have Homeland Security, um, the Advanced National SINIC system, which would tell you about earthquakes and things of that nature. They give you a map, a list of where it's at, and keep you updated. Then there's the National Weather Service, which gives more of like flash flood warnings, tsunami warnings, things of that nature. Um, in addition to that, there's always TV, radio, and freeway alerts and other things that they do to get information out to communities. Um, when disaster strikes, the Security Emergency Preparedness Division has facilities available um, for families, and they can seek shelter there in the event that an emergency does occur. And that information is typically posted during emergencies, and that can be found at this link that I provided below. So, health education and promotion. This is just some slides, some pictures for the health education and promotion in Long Beach area. There's a no smoking sign beyond this point. There is a Go Naked Juice billboard sign. There's a bus I saw that says Go with Good Health. And Long Beach is really big on promoting um, no smoking in restaurants. So I thought that was really cool to add that in there. And here's a list of my references. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.